Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ziga Business Partner Search app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Ziga is a business partner discovery app designed to help entrepreneurs, freelancers, and startups connect with the right collaborators. Instead of relying on traditional networking or random searches, Ziga offers a structured platform where users can find co-founders, investors, service providers, and business partners who match their goals. It's available on both iOS and Android and uses profile-based matching to help users build meaningful professional relationships. The app's main feature is its business matching system. Users create detailed profiles describing their skills, business goals, industries, and partnership needs. Ziga then recommends potential partners based on compatibility. You can view profiles, send requests, start chats, and build a curated network of people aligned with your objectives. Ziga also includes tools for project posting, interest filtering, and professional discovery to simplify collaboration. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Ziga's organized layout, targeted matching system, and the ability to connect with people who have genuine business intentions. It helps reduce time wasted on unproductive networking and supports entrepreneurs who don't have access to large professional circles. The app is especially useful for new founders who need talent, mentors, or strategic partners. However, there are some drawbacks. The user base may feel limited in certain regions, which can affect match quality. Some users mention incomplete profiles and slow replies from potential partners. Advanced features or visibility boosts may also require paid upgrades. And because partnerships involve trust, users still need to manually verify credibility before committing to any collaboration. In summary, the Ziga app may be worth using if you want a focused, profile-driven platform to find business partners, co-founders, or collaborators efficiently. However, if you rely on large-scale networking or prefer in-person relationship building, the app alone might not be enough for your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.